mic I have. So finally, we are going to have discussion as nowadays that one thing which is on trending. Actually, people keep diverting the topic. The burning issue in a country which is going on about SSC exams recently got leaked, and students who were there for taking exams, they were not supported better way. Teachers were against them. So we are going to have discussion on this topic. The topic is, as students started protesting against those exams, some of the students, they, what do you feel? The topic is protesting against government on the exams, taking care of the exams of SSC, CGL, or other different exams of government exams. Nowadays, it's a kind of these are chapters. One chapter closes, another chapter starts, and we have different chapters for somewhere there are high-handedness of government or the people who are not letting students have proper exams. Similarly, some more things are happening these days. Recently, in SSC exams, I think it was held in different states. Students are studying, they have filled the form, and they are supposed to have the exam in their city, and they are going 500 kilometer, 1000 kilometer away from the center. So they are and they started having protests against that. So what do you think? Should students take part in protest, or will it jeopardize their career in future? So here we have the students here. They'll be discussing, putting their views one by one. So who would like to start first?
As we all know that in 2000, India is the fourth largest economy in the world, and so still these kind of misconducts are happening in this country. In 2017 SSC CGL exam, which is high level officer level exam, it got leaked, and after all this, its result got late for almost 3 years. And one more thing is that the budget of SSC, which is Staff Selection Commission, is very low. It is almost 400 crores, as compared to other government exam conducting agencies of other countries like China and US. It is way less. So first, government should focus on increasing the budget of the SSC. The next thing is that the antiquity, which is private vendor which conducts government exams, so it is blacklisted in India. Still the SSC gives the tender to conduct the exams in India. So if there are some agencies which are blacklisted, they should not be given the tender. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name Harsh Yadav. Today, very discuss about topic is SSC CGL protects good or not. In my opinion, protect is good. People should against the protest government when exam paper was leaked. Government neglected to paper security when people write the paper before paper are leaked. That there is injustice to hardworking student. So was paper was postponed. Government should be attention to the proper good company tender. Government which any low company provide tenders so paper are leaked, that we can maintain good security then provide this tender, and people should protesting convey to the all these issues to the government by the protest. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Akash, and my friend, the name is Harsh, Harsh Yadav. Say about the condition of the protest of SSCGL exam. So, in today's scenario, the sir is said that there are many of the lacks of problems in the SSCGL. Many of the aspirant got the centers at the modes of distance like 500 kilometers and 600 kilometers. Like one aspirant of Agra got the centers in Mumbai, Hyderabad, and on all other what we call as districts. So and when we reach there at the center, and the system of the SSCGL says that the exam was is not conducted at that place because of the paper was leaked. So what that happened on this on that in what is happened on that moment where with the aspirant, when we prepare for that exam after losing their more of their times, and it's what we called as also what we hard work, sir. Okay, and promoting gaining the hard works and other, and the family of that aspirant is what we call बनाए हुए सर, बनाए हुए हैं आशा उनसे, हाँ हाँ, they are expected more of the they are more expected from their children, like when which is preparing for the SSC CGL. But these are the very crucial incident which is creating by the governments because of the system, because the system is all of the system is corrupted, because for the few of the amount the paper is leaked, and the government it doesn't take about the aspirants. So these of the points I came in my mind. So thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Amit Kumar. I want to tell about some more on the leak papers. First of all, we know very well the highest unemployment in our country nowadays. After that, our student hard working to achieve the job, and parents is a poor. After that, we provide the education for he supposed to that he achieve the job, and we improvement ourselves. But that is the reason that we are saying that the center was center is center is distance the 1500 meter. The student sir how to send करना wears the wears is all परेशानियाँ problems there or face problem. After that they reach the centers and want to go in the hall of or take exam. So they listen news the paper is leaked, and what time we should I do. So that's the reason that government know very well they are companies is no conduct properly exam. So that's why the government against provide the tender for conduct exam. So that student we have to don't have any कोई चारा नहीं है don't have any other option. We have to the आंदोलन करना protest of the government, because that our we have a fundamental right. The Indian Constitution provided Article 19 that we can conduct the peacefully protect our government, and government is not listening us. So we increase our क्या बोलते हैं इनको protest, and otherwise we are doing protest. So thus they are newspaper में आएगा come out the newspaper, and the High Court and Supreme Court listen and take action separately without file the our petition. The constitution provide the right to Supreme Court and High Court. Any person did not file the complaint in court, so he can take self action, listen the news and read the newspaper. So if we are not protest, so we can't do anything. If we are protesting, so we are we सुना सकते हैं, we can tell every government and our agencies, fundamental agencies and etc. Thank you for listening to me.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Harsh Mittal. We are discussed about on the topic of protest of SSC CGL. In my opinion in that topic, allegation of paper SSC CGL and UPSC, so many other exam are over there. If a paper has leaked, student candidates demand CBI investigation there in centers. If a paper has leaked, so so many students do the protest in this objection. If people do the protest, so people do the protest, so people do the protest, so violences automatically generate. Thank you.
So, Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to speak on for procrastinating competitive exams or procrastinating for protesting leak papers, competitive exam for leak papers. So first point is a lack of security in papers handling. Uh, basically poor security measures during first printing, uh, transportation, and storage for question papers, uh, for lead to leads. And second point is corruption in the education system. So some officials or insider may leak papers for money, okay, and money, personal favor, and showing deep rooted corruption. And third point is as a same point and same problem. So pressure of competition. So due to extreme academic pressure, students and parents sometimes resort to unfair, uh, including leak papers. And fourth point is insider access. So teachers, staff, and uh, te- teachers, staff, and direct access to the paper, so may leak them. And last point is poor planning and management by exam authorities. So basically unprofessional and unprepared examination. Boards fail to ensure secrecy and also integrity in the process. So this is my points. Jai Hind, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anil Kumar. I want to take favor of protection by student and teachers, because that is the good way of the front of our problems on the government. So is a very good way, because he is the that is the right protect to right our constitution of India. And many problems find peoples in India against the government. What government not listen every people's think. So that is very good way protect government say our problems front of in government. Actually mostly but main problem is the that uh, some police officers we have our society, but he is government sides every time. What he is kicking student and misbehavior student, that is very not good, because we पुलिस गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर हम में से ही हैं, कैसे कहेंगे among us, but he is not I should suggest officer we should not do it. Thank you very much, listen to me.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sonu. My name is Sonu Kuswa. I am favor of protest by students. Many students study all night and work hard. If any paper leaked, they face many problems. That's why many crimes are increasing, because they study all night in living poverty. After that, they try to next exam, but many exams leaked. They go for crime, because they can understand we are eligible for this job. They don't get job. That's why they do crime only.
Hello, good morning to all. My name is Anshakya. Today I am here to tell about SSC CGL protest. My opinion, uh, we we all type of student. Some student are rich, some student are middle class, some students are poor, and villages students are also there. Give fill the SSC forms. Uh, many peoples are many students are they can't fill the form fees. They can purchase our friend, our religions. They can fill the form, and they work hard. They study. uh, they study uh, in nights, and no electricity in village. We will prepared, and we will go there in center after we are few long distance. Suppose that he goes to MP Maharashtra, and EOP student, he goes to MP, and after that we will complete the paper, and we will suppose that I have I have best I have give my best examination. There I will select in their paper, and I will crack this paper. And after some time, he says the news ki paper was leaked after 2 days before. Sir, I will come on this there point. uh, we was soon कि uh, paper was leaked. Those rich students, and he uncles, he fathers, he some people are there in community. They provides some money and give the papers. uh, they know study in many much more time. We got paper, and we will crack we he will crack the paper. And those students who will study in all whole night, and we will know that student we will protest. He they they are many big problem. Some people are got the paper, and some people prepared, and we will protest. Government knows the blacklisted uh, uh, blacklist agencies. They will not give the tender to prepare the examinations. This is the main thing we are.
But the question is that should we protest it or not?
uh,
After that, students came on the road.
Sir, he will write
So
to.
that's how. What is the reason? Okay. How can they get solution of this or not?
uh,
Answer this.
they
What topic is this?
the main reason sir says students are protesting, because that's why government not listen to don't listen to don't give to SSC CGL examination in blacklisted companies. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Bhumi Agrawal. In my opinion, youth should be protest because SSC exam decide thousands of students' career. Uh, uh, Protest become a way to protect their hard work and career opportunities. Thank you.
Topic is not this. Topic is that as students have done hard work and everything, should they protest or not? Topic is this.
My name is Muskankar. My topic to protect do against CGL, SGL and other competitive exams. For many pupils are preparation for CGL, SCL and other competitive exams for government as paper leaked and delayed dates and result delayed dates and also many reasons. For example, for SSC 2013 or 2018 exam was leaked, and some one example for SSC Phase 13 exam is leaked. For many pupils, many thousand pupils in a center for come to the center, and paper was leaked, and computer system has not worked for properly, but for complaint for a management, but लेकिन but management not be listened to students for this complaint for students. Mic how to say sir, mic वो mouse बेकार दिए गए,
Mouse was out of order.
mouse is how to order to refuse. Student have to refuse the mouse, new mouse, and management teachers are not new mouse come दिए नहीं है, and 4-5 times I have clicked for a mouse for answers is not correct. Computer system are hacked in before exams, and usually admit card for before 4 and 5 days for SSC and CGL exams, but admit card दिए नहीं गए sir,
Was not provided.
were not provided admit card for exam.
The point, the topic is not, guys. They have completed diverted the topic. Topic is not this. What happened with the students? But topic is that should they go for protest or not? Students, they have their own career. They have complete future in life. Don't you think it becomes more political when they go on road? It can jeopardize their complete career. Students will not be able to take part in other competitive exams also if they start protesting against government. So what is your opinion? Should a student come on the roads? Should they protest or not? I'm not talking about the problems which they faced. I'm talking about should they come on the road for the protest or not? So go for this and give in the 30 or 20 seconds within.
So hello everyone. So I want to tell about we should protest. We should protest or not. We have a fundamental right, so we should protest peacefully. And what is the happen for protest? So first of that, we know very well we are the protest in the country. So it's a very big news in the country. And what is the to take action to the government? We are saying someone saying that the company is blacklisted. So nothing happened the blacklisted in the country. They are make the other names, make the other companies, but we are the protest in the country. So they are a big news in the country. So the parliament have to pass out the rules and make the regular punishment in that field. If any person responsible for the leak out the paper and any company for responsible, so they are not only blacklisted, they all person responsible for the leak out the paper, so they are rigorous punishment in the country. Make the rules. If the make rules that, so they are person think about if any mistake for any person mistake for the paper leaked, so they have to all punishable the worker of the companies. So that's the main reason. So we should have to protest. Otherwise, we are not protest, but protest not the how to say ugrata, non-violence. We have to with the violence. We should only protest peacefully. They have the right when we are the safe and we are the not criminal categories. If we are the protest with the violence, so we have to make a criminals. We have to punishable in the court. So we are don't participate in the other papers, examination papers. Thank you for listening to me.
In addition to that, some points, as my older friend said that. So the protest is creating by the some peoples in two stages, like where one person is belonging to the much good family, like it is not a poor or it is not a rich, like some of them okay family, right? So middle family, so they have a option, they have a option, it can he can protest or not for their dishonest, what we call as अन्याय, what we call against the law, injustice. Okay. And when the person is belonging to the poor family, So what they have option? He have to protest or not against the system, because when he can protest against the system, they have to losses many of the times. Like, it is not a playing exam like we can play the game and next time I will get the result of that what we call as practice या our कुछ भी सर सर हमने कुछ किया, मतलब उसको एक्टिविटी बोलेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे? हाँ, we can we can
Okay, guys, like that too, sir. Protect is good, according in my opinion, because paper are leaked. So student, government in this case is not listen. So student collect and protest on the road. Many students like suicide and government. We have just like listen and action to this case. Thank you.
Although protesting is our fundamental right, so if we won't raise our voice, then our problem won't be solved. So, uh, protesting to get our problem solved, we have to raise our voice. But most often what happens is that these kind of protest takes the fear side, like they turns into the violence. So like damaging the public property and burning the cars and railway stations. So these kind of things are not good. So if students wants to protest, they want justice, then they need to protest very peacefully, because if they get involved in these kind of things, they won't get the justice, and instead the result of the paper will get more late. So, and one more thing will happen, that the kind of support that students have got from the public, they will lose the sympathy from the public, and it will lead to some legal processes like police cases, so which will completely ruin their whole future. So, in my opinion, protest is protest is good, but it should be done very peacefully. Thank you.
so you can say that the protest is doing very peacefully, but when the system of that government is creating the crucial activities like understand you handling the student with the lathi charge, so what will happen at that moment?
Lathi charge and some such kind of circumstances only takes place in the protest. It never takes place in the protest which is taking place peacefully.
No, sir. This is that. You are thinking about the some of the scenario you are saying, but many of the times the lathi charges also happen without any without any violence. Like you can say that in Dalbag just increasing your what we call a lands at very peacefully protest, and the government soldiers are coming there and treating the pupils with the lathi charge, not said that you have to stop the this increasing the land. He just treating the student with the lathi charge, don't provide the time for binding their activities, like he stop the activities for increasing the land. They just treating the lathi charge.
What was happened in the Dayalbag, it was totally the it was totally the incident of grabbing the land. It was, we all know that it is illegal to grab the land of government. So the first police came to so what we call मतलब this to get the land discharged, मतलब land को छुड़ाने के लिए आई थी. Then after that, what happened, they were not first. One more thing, that you said that they all were students. They were not students. It was the authority of the Dayalbag college, okay, and they have made their private police. They came in the uniform. like they what they call the police or the bodyguards of Jalwag, I think, na, they came in the Vardi with, and they themselves first came with the lathis, and they by themselves attacked the police. After that, police charged lathi on them.
First of all, if any person protest, so first of all you are conduct the any against do any work जो have to problem face problem, have to face problem the public. So first of all, the police of the superintendent police person, you have to sir, how to say provide direction. You should not do this behave. You have to the protest, so you can this side, you have to leave this side road. And if you are conduct the protest and problem face the public, so you have to direction, give the direction by the superintendent of the police. Otherwise you did not follow the direction, so will have to face the lathi charge. Otherwise you can do protest, because protest is our fundamental right. If we are not protest, so the public have not meet us, and they not public issue, and they are if you are want to the make the rules anything, so we have to protest. Otherwise don't have any reason. You can listen the after that the government pass out the pass out the rules parliament in farmers, three wheels farmers, all farmers protected. After that the central government have to come out, how do वापस लेना, go back the our rules. That's why we have to do the any rule, make the any rules for the our country. So we have to protest first of all priority, because we can't go the parliament and assembly, so how can we make the rule. So that's the reason we want to our अपनी आवाज को पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, raise the voice in the parliament and senior officers, ministers. So it's a way only. Thank you for listening.
As he has taken example of political examples like farmers and other bills which are passed in parliament. But question comes, as many protests have been done related to exams, what are the consequences of those? Did we find any solution till now? These protests, educational protests I'm talking about. So what were those exams were like? Lately there were exams were conducted in Haryana. My brother also went there. So those jobs got cancelled. Now still case is pending and still case is going on. So what are the consequences of those protests? Do we have some consequences, or just we are protesting and our names are filed in the name of in police stations and people are going to jail, or what they should be doing? And she has got something to speak. First we speak up.
Hello, good morning, all of you. My name Akansha, and today topic is protest like SSC, CGL, and other competitive exams. So, my opinion, protest like these against SSC, CGL, and other competitive exam, both positive and negative effects. So, positive effect can lead to reform examination system, and negative effect, protest disturb examination schedule and course delays. And, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My simple points, everyone is saying कि we are protects the government and not. But I will say that we are protects because the education, our education system is the higher, and every in every state, very every pupil say कि this exam will conduct in SSC, and many conduct exam. Recently his exam is army Agniveer exam is conducted, and then the result came the most the pupil student conduct exam, result is declared, and then the exam square is square स्क्वायर इज हाउ टू से कि उनके नंबर काट दिए गए, selected the number, and then their student is lower and their square is higher. How is so there's the why did not pupil protect sir? We should every know that कि हर is exam teaching exam a conducting exam is 1 to 4 year after we conduct, then he is prepare to last 4 year, then he will do exam and his exam is linked and score in the square is delayed, his marks is cut. And how the pupil, why didn't student not protects? So that's my just a simple reason. We are protects but precisely, but we are no we are understand the government problem, I know that, but it is not the we are our education system is higher, so why is not proper provide proper proper सिर्फ ध्यान को क्या बोलते हैं, how to say ध्यान, take remember, how not to remember his every situation, every handle problems, how that my simple request to government कि care about my every situation and handle and
speak in Hindi.
so कि आई स्पीक इन हिंदी सम लाइन्स कि जब दुनिया घूमती है तो हम कोई बातों को, जब पूरी दुनिया जब घूमती है तो हम हर चीज़ को ध्यान देते हैं, तो जब कोई चीज़ बच्चों के लिए की जाती है तो वो हमारे ध्यान में क्यों नहीं होती? यही चीज़ अगर हम अपने बच्चों के लिए बोले कि गवर्नमेंट अगर उनका बच्चा पूरे दिन रात पढ़ रहा है और वो जब उस चीज़ को वो सोचता है कि हमें वो चीज़ चाहिए, तो उसे वो चीज़ ना मिले तो वो गवर्नमेंट उसको वो बच्चे को देने के लिए सोचती है। तो गवर्नमेंट ये जो पूरे बच्चे हैं इस दुनिया में, जो हमारे पूरे हैं वो इस दुनिया को देख रहे हैं, वो हमारे लिए क्यों नहीं सोचते? अपने बच्चों के लिए सब कुछ सब करते हैं, क्या ये अच्छे जब उनके बच्चे रोते हैं क्या वो उन बच्चों के आंसू नहीं पहुँचते हैं? जब हम ये चीज़ प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो वो हम गवर्नमेंट हमारे लिए क्यों ध्यान नहीं दे रही है? मैं बस ये बोलना चाहूँगी, सो प्लीज़ माय एजुकेशन सिस्टम, माय गवर्नमेंट, माय पार्लियामेंट पीपल्स, प्लीज़ हैंडल प्लीज़, बिकॉज द प्रोटेक्ट इज नॉट द not higher handled suggestion, but is a simple, please, it is very heart touching feelings, because the every student of child, please think, then you will decide it how do or not.
Thank you.